Are you a solopreneur, entrepreneur, or a business owner who are struggling to raise funds for your business idea? Are you somebody who is having a great idea in your mind, but you don't know how to come out of your job and start venturing into it? Are you still thinking that should I leave my job and work on my startup idea, or can I work parallelly with my business and as a part-time business along with my job? If you have all these questions in your mind, and also you could be somebody who is running your existing business and struggling to have a growth strategy for you. You don't know how to grow your business to a 10x growth and eventually raise funds like thousands of companies who are raising that money at this point in time. There are so many unicorns who has come in India in just last 2 years. How can I be one of them? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then this 5 days program is for you. Believe me, at the end of this 5 days program, you will get the exact understanding what investors look for you for in you as well as in the startup. This 5 days program will cover all the 4 areas, 7 pillars of a business model which is required you to become investable, sustainable, and profitable.